Good morning. So, the next topics are binary addition, binary subtraction, one's complemental subtractions, and two's complement subtraction. So, how we'll do the binary addition means just follow the 4 steps. 0 plus 0, nothing but 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 0, and carry 1. We will write 1 plus 1, 2. So the digit 2 represents in a binary form as 1 0. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 by removing a carry, by making a carry 1. Okay. So if they give the question as add 110 with 1001, what will do? 110 add with 1011. Now make the addition. 0 plus 1, nothing but 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1, 1. So how will the result? 1, 1, 1, 1. So to cross check, what we have to do? 110 is nothing but 6 in our number system. And 1001 is nothing but 9 in our number system. So 9 plus 6 is nothing but 15. So we represent the number 15 in the form of 1, 1 and 1. Okay. So this is a method of doing additions or subtractions. Okay. Now, how to do the binary subtractions means 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, and 1 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Okay. How it will be 1? We have taken a borrow. Okay. We have taken the borrow, that is making the digit as 1. That is the number 10. Number 10 is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Are you got the value? 0 minus 1 is there. Okay. 0 minus 1. Okay. 0 minus 1 means we are taking a borrow 1 from the previous value. Okay. Then the digit will be 1 0, that is number 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So this is a method of calculating the binary additions or subtraction. Just to focus on these values only. Okay. Focus on these 4 values and these 4 values. So everything will be created from these 4 laws only. The question is subtract 10111 from 11011. Now subtract this value from this. Understand the question correctly. They are asking subtracting this value from this. Okay. Not from this. Okay. They are saying that subtract 10111 from which value? 11011. So now 11111 minus 10111. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 is there, that thing but 1. Okay. Here it will be 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. The answer will be 100. That is nothing but 4 in our digital form. So cross check by taking the values. 11011, nothing but 27. 10111, nothing but 33. 27 minus 33, that is minus 4. So we will do, we will remove the minus sign. That is, we write the value of 4. Now, one's complemental method. Okay. The next method is one complement method. Complement is nothing but making the negative value. If 1 is given, we have to make the value as 0. If 0 is given, we have to write the value of 1. Like, for example, if 4 ones are given of base 2, what we have to write in one's complement? Just making the zeros as 1, ones as zeros. So the answer will be 0, 0, 0 of base 2. So if the question is 1101 of base 2, what the answer in the ones complement method? 1 as 0, 0, 1 and 0. This is the method of calculating one's complement for any given number. Then 2's complement. How will find the 2's complement means just finding the 2's complement by finding the 1's complement and adding 1 to the 1's complement. This is the 2's complement. 1's complement is nothing but, okay, 1's complement is nothing but just making 0 as 1 and 1 as 0. And 2's complement is nothing but taking the given value and finding the 1's complement and adding 1 to it. Okay. For example, if they ask find the 2's complement for 100, okay, of base 2. 1000 of base 2. What we have to do? Making the 1's complement. Okay. Make the 1's complement 0, 1, 1 of base 2 and add 1 to it. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1. Okay. That is 0 and with the carry 1. And again 1 plus 1, 0 with the carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with the carry 1. And answer 1, 1. This is the answer of 2's complement. So next syllabus is 1's complement subtraction. So how will do the 1's complemental subtraction means, what is the method of doing 1's complemental subtraction? Nothing but given the understand the question. The question is subtract 101 of base 2 from 111 of base 2. Subtract 101 of base 2 from 111 of base 2. Okay. So first thing is we have to do the complement of subtrahend. Just make a note that which value we are subtracting, that value is known as subtrahend. Okay. Which value, the main value is there, that is minuend. Okay. We are subtracting 101 from 111. So 111 acts as minuend and 101 acts as subtrahend. Okay. 101 acts as subtrahend. The value which we are subtracting from the main value, that value is known as subtrahend and the main value is known as minuend. So under 1's complemental subtraction, what we have to do means, first point, complement the subtrahend. So take the subtrahend and complement it. Means make the 0 as 1 and 1 as 0. Question is 101 is the subtrahend. Next, the complement of 101 is 010. And add this complemental subtrahend to the minuend, that is 111. Now add the subtrahend, complemental subtrahend 010 to the minuend. Okay. Then 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, that is 0, carry 1, and 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 1. Then 1, 0. Okay. The answer is 1, 0, 0, 1. Here 4 digits are there. Only we added 3 digits. That is, these acts as carry. If the carry is 1, okay, if the carry is 1, then what we have to do? What we have to do means just add 1 to it. If the carry is 1, okay, if the carry is 1, just add the answer to the 1 value. That is 1 plus 1, 0, that is 1, 0. So this is the final result. Okay. Here the steps are there, how we have to do a problem for a 1's complemental subtraction. Just take the subtrahend and minuend. Okay. After taking the subtrahend, complement it. Then after complementing, add to the minuend. If the carry is 1, just add 1 to the answer. If the carry is 0, just remove the carry and write the answer by adding the negative sign. Okay, this is the 1's complemental method. Now 2's complement. Okay, how we will write the 2's complement? 2's complemental method is nothing but same as like the 1's complemental subtraction only, but the main difference is here we follow the 2's complement method. So what the question is, subtract 100,111 from 11011. Okay. So this acts as subtrahend, this acts as minuend. This acts as subtrahend and that acts as minuend. So first thing is, do the complement, 2's complement for the subtrahend. Okay, do the 2's complement for the subtrahend. How will do the 2's complement? Take the given number and make 1's complement and again add 1 to the 1's complement answer. This will be the answer of the given number for the 2's complement. Then after 2's complementing, okay, just add the 2's complemental number to the minuend. Add the 2's complement to the minuend. Then if the carry is 1, okay, if the carry is 1, then what we have to do? Just neglect the carry and write the answer. Neglect the carry and write the answer. If the carry is 0, that is no carry is there. Okay. Now what we have to do? Subtracting 1. We have to subtract 1 from our answer. Okay. Subtract 1 from our answer and what we have to do? We recomplement the result and attach a negative sign. We remove the carry and write the negative sign. So one problem, find the one problem based on this. So given subtract 1101 from 1010. That is, this is a subtrahend, this is a minuend. Just do the 2's complement for the subtrahend. Then add these 2's complement to the minuend. So here, look at here. Adding the 2's complement to the minuend, what is the answer? 1101. Okay. The carry is, no carry is there. For the 4 digits, the 4 digits are there. What we'll do now? Just subtract 1 from it, digit 1 from it and write the answer. That is 1100 and recomplement it, do the 1's complement for it. Then attach a negative sign for it. So this will be the final result for the 1's complement subtraction. So listen, what is the 1's complement? Okay. And 2's complement means, under 1's complement, we just exchange the values. Replace the values with 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. In 2's complement, we will find out the 1's complement by replacing the values and then add 1 to the given answer. Add 1 to the given answer. Now, if 1's complement subtraction is there, 1's complement subtraction is there and 2's complement subtraction is there, how will find? For 1 complemental subtraction, find the value of subtrahend, minuend and find the complement, 1's complement and add to the minuend. If carry is 1, okay, what we'll do? Just add the digit 1 to the answer and write it. Okay, if the carry is 1, okay, add the, remove the carry and add 1, digit 1 to the given answer. If the carry is 1. If the carry is 0, what we have to do? Just remove the carry, recomplement it, remove the carry and recomplement it. After recomplementing, attach the minus sign. This is the method. These are the steps. For 2 complement, just take the subtrahend value, minuend value. Find the 2's complement for the subtrahend. Add to the minuend. If the carry is 1, if the carry is 0. If the carry is 1, what we have to write? Just, if the carry is 1, just discard the carry, neglect the carry and write the answer. If the carry is 0, subtract 1 from the answer and recomplement it and attach the negative sign for the given answer. So this is the method of how we will calculate the 1's complement subtraction, 2's complement and 2's complemental subtraction. Thank you.